HCMC Stock investor. How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the HCMC stock latest update. What's going on in a HCMC stock? You know what? From the previous last 2 weeks, the price of HCMC stock is completely going down, and you can see here that. So my friends, you know what, I know that it is a bad time of HCMC stock investor, but don't lose hope, and I think never lose hope, my friends. Absolutely now in annuities, HCMC stock, in AMC stock, in new NIO stock is the best investment platform for all of you, my friends. So HCMC stock holders, a lot of investor of HCMC stock message me that when will the price rise up, when will they are going to increase. So finally friends, in this video we are going to predicate this stock. But before starting this video, please also click the subscribe button and also like this video for more news and updates videos. Now you can see that the current price of HCMC stock in a USD dollar is 0.0009 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the HCMC stock. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the more about HCMC stock, so you can see here day by day, my friends, you can see here day by day the price of HCMC stock is going down, my friends. So my friends, that's not mean then you lose hope. Just patience, my friends, just wait. My friends, HCMC stock have to take a jump. My personal prediction about HCMC stock is going positive, and I believe, my friends, I believe that HCMC stock will pump and they give you profit, my friends, not loss. And you can see here the billions of people investing in a HCMC stock. Shares outstanding 307.93 billion is the shares outstanding, and public float is 288.85 billion is the public float, my friends. So furthermore, my friends, every change, the investor rate, the shares outstanding, a lot of every change is going good. Average volume, you can see 2.16 billion. 2.16 billion is the average volume of the HCMC stock, my friends. So you can see here from the last 1 month, the price of HCMC stock is negative 25% going down, and the last 3 months is negative 43.75% falls down. And nowadays you can see, but if we talk about the years, so you can see the last 1 year changes is 800 positive happens. So my friends, if you invest for long term in a HCMC stock, so that's already a good investment for all of you. But if you invest for short term, so I think that's a paid investment for all of you, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about HCMC stock? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.